If you own a pool, HTH is here to help. Chlorine is essential to your pool, but there's a Goldilocks rule. When free available chlorine levels are not within 1 to 4 parts per million, it's unsafe to swim. Plus, you may have algae blooms, cloudy water, or a strong odor. So let's help you get it just right. First, always test the water. If your level is too high, just wait and let the sunlight break down the chlorine. Continue to test until the level is within the recommended range. If your chlorine levels are too low, add more chlorine and test until the level is between 1 and 4 parts per million. Before you use chemicals, make sure you have on protective gloves and eyewear. Never mix different chemicals or dissolve them before use. And always follow label instructions. HTH offers chlorine in both granular and tablet form. Our first product is HTH Ultimate Mineral Brilliance Chlorinating Granules. It's made with calcium hypochlorite and is unstabilized. Just disperse it around the side of the pool or add it in the skimmer, following label instructions. We recommend using HTH Stabilizer once a year with this product.
We also offer HTH Super 3-inch chlorinating tablets, which are stabilized.
This means they contain cyanuric acid. These can be put in a skimmer or a floater. After adding chlorine, allow your water to circulate at least 1 hour. Then test the chlorine level. Once it's between 1 and 4 parts per million, the level is just right. Now your pool is clear for cannonballs. Thanks for watching. And remember, HTH is always here to help.